Howdy on campus, it's Kathryn here, and I'm going to show you how to make Snickers Bar Buns, and they are so good. So please stay with me, try to understand me, try to follow me. This may be difficult. Okay, what you will need is an 8x8 tray of some sort. That's probably about an inch deep because this is going to get really filled, okay? You're going to need 3 cups of Rice Krispies, 5 Snickers bars, a 1/4 cup or 57 grams of butter, honey, 1 tablespoon, 250 grams of Chewy caramel sweets, a thickened cream, 1/4 cup, and 200 grams of chocolate. So I've already started here. So what I did was I melted the chocolate and put in the Snickers bars, cut them up, and added the honey. So whenever that was all melted and nice, as smooth the consistency as I get, I added, the Rice Krispies. And now, into a baking tray, which I have lined with brown baking grease-proof paper that we're making up. So what you do with the grease-proof paper, obviously, is you will put butter in it first, then add the grease-proof paper. So it means that whenever you pull out the Snickers, because they're really sticky, they're not going to stick to the container. So you're just pushing it right down hard, okay? And you want to have it as tight as possible. Oh, they're so good. Oh, these are so tasty. Now, I'm not going to say I'm a baker because I'm really not. And I don't know what this is called, but these are fantastic. So use one of these if you can. If not, a spoon will do. Brilliant. So I advise you strongly to use them. Step number 2. Okay. Caramel sauce is the best, obviously. So we're putting our caramel sweets into a saucepan with the cream, and we're just melting it until it gets the sort of consistency, which is so good. Okay, and then all we're going to do is pour it on top. This is where this utensil, I'm going to call it a spatula. This is where it comes in so handy. And just do this. You just want a wee layer on top. So, there's that. Put it in the fridge, let it cool. Okay, so the final step is you melt the chocolate, as I've already done, and put it on top of your buns. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then you refrigerate, and I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so we'll do the final part, which is so the butter works. Put it down. Boom. And ta-da! This is what I'm gonna be eating. Enjoy.